Okay? I'm not putting a negative on this. I'm just doing two positive integers. Or two positive numbers.
I don't get this.
Okay? Now,
I don't get
guys,
this.
instead of having to go 15 times 7 over 21 times 3 and reducing, reduce now. Find, now, the 7 and 21.
What?
They go into each other. Cross, divide by 7, divide by 7. And so this becomes 3, and this becomes 1. So now, I've got, instead of 15 times 7, I have 5 times 1 over 3 times 1.
Whoa.
And the answer is 5/3. And I don't mind if you leave it there.
Liar.
I don't mind if you leave it there, or 1 2/3. Okay?
That's the answer.
Okay? Last one I'm going to do on this is mixed numbers. Ready? 2 and 2/5.
Mixed what?
2 and 2/5 times negative 1 and 2/3.
Whoa.
Okay?
What?
Guys,
Whoa.
you've got to change these into improper fractions. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 is what? 12
my calculator.
Times negative 1 times 3, plus 2, negative 5/3. Now, before you go 12 times 5 and 5 times 3, can I do some cross-canceling? Can I do some cross-canceling? Yes.
Yeah.
5 and 5 go into each other. Divide by 5, you get 1. Divide by 5 here, you get negative 1. Does 3 go into 12? Divide by 3 here and you get 4. Divide by 3 here and you get 1. Negative. Or just 1. So now I'm left with 4 times negative 1 over 1 times 1.
Exactly.
And the answer is negative 4.
Stop it, Zachary.
The answer is negative 4.
Stop.
Okay? You guys, this should be straightforward and last.
Feels stinky.
Woo!
Someone's stinky.
That's for multiplying.
Oh.
Now, you guys know what I tell you. You guys remember from last year. How do I multiply? How do I divide fractions?
With the times.
Okay, divide. Would you guys? And this is one time you can almost cuss. Divide fractions.
Yeah. Little
Ready? Almost. Ready? All you have to write, put in quotation marks, flip.
Hold on.
Flipping.
Speak again.
Multiply. All you have to do is flip and multiply. Flip and multiply.
Flip what?
Okay? What
Flip.
do I mean by that?
Flip and multiply.
Okay. Example. Get this down.
That's flipping crazy.
Example is 4/7
Oh, God.
divided by 5.
That guy's flipping crazy.
Eighths.
He's loco.
4/5. I want to know how many times 5/8 goes into 4/7.
100.
All you do is
100.
you flip and multiply. You flip the second
I flipped
number.
it. 58.
So you go, this equals 4/7
No.
times.
Ugh.
This becomes times.
Oh.
And
Ugh.
4/7 times 8 over 5.
Hey, what?
32.
Oi.
35.
Shut up.
Guys, then you just do the math. You go.
What?
4 times 8 is 32. 7 times 5 is 35.
Oh, dude, I almost got close.
You guys remember this? Okay? Okay? This is all you gotta remember to do is flip and multiply.
Oh, dude, I suck at this.
Now what do you do if you have this kind of ready? Negative 2 and 4
What?
8 negative 2 and 4 sevenths divided by